In this video, we'll go over some Blender Python code that will convert hex color values into RGB values that Blender will understand. Hey, I'm Victor Stepanoff. I'll be guiding you through this Blender Python building block explanation. We're going to be taking a look at the hex color format itself. We're going to take a look at the process of converting from this hex value to an RGB value. We're going to take a look at the Python code that's going to do this conversion for us. And at the end of the video, I'll show you how you can get this building block without having to copy around code. All right, so let's get started. When we get the hex color value from the internet, for example, we open up the hex tab in the color picker and just paste in that value right here. The problem is that with Python, we can't really do that. So we need to do some extra processing to actually extract those values. Let's take a closer look at the values themselves. I'm going to use this color picker from Adobe Color, and I want you to notice how I change particular components of the color, and you can see how the different parts of the hex color value change. So for example, if I only change the red component, only the first two characters of the hex value change, right? So let me just set everything to 0, green and blue to 0. And as you can see, only the very first part of this hex color changes when I change the red value. The same thing goes for the blue, right? And you can see the values go from 0 to 255. So our job is going to be extracting these parts of the hex color and then transferring them to some value that Blender understands. So as you can see that this hex color value consists of 3 parts, red, green, and blue. So the very first thing that we would need to do with our Python code is extract these separate parts. So first, for example, with red, we're going to extract the first 2 symbols. Next, we're going to take this hexadecimal number and convert it to a number that's base 10. Base 10 numbers are just the numbers that we see every single day. So after that's done, we're going to divide this number that we got by 255. So in this case, it's not that good of an example, because if we divide 255 by 255, we're going to get 1. Next, we're going to take that value, that red value, and apply it to the RGB value in Blender. We're going to do the same thing for the rest of the components, so green and blue. So we're going to transfer them from the hexadecimal to the base 10 number, and then we're going to divide this number by 255 and get a floating point number that we're going to use for the color component in Blender. So let's open Blender and see how that's done in Python. So now that we're in Blender, let's open the scripting workspace and hit new to create a new script. And we're going to go into the interactive Python console right here on the left. We're going to start working with a hex color value. So I'm going to just create a new variable and add a hex color value as a string, like a piece of text. And I'm just going to paste in that color value that we're looking at on the slides. So that will be our color. And now we can just print this by just writing it out, and it's text, right? So we're going to be working with text for the first part of the conversion. The first thing that we need to do is we need to get rid of the first symbol, so the first character, which is the hash character. We don't really need that for our conversion. So we're going to use a slice. So I'm going to use this syntax right here, and we're going to get the same piece of text, only without the very first hash character, right? So I'm going to even just copy, set the color value variable to this, right? So, oops. So we're kind of cleaning it up, right? So now if I input the variable for the hex color, we can see that the text is without the hash character. So now let's take the first color component out of this piece of text, and we're going to use the slicing syntax again to get the red color component, which is FF in our case. So it's color, and then I'm going to do the square brackets, and then colon and 2. So you can see that this syntax right here allowed us to extract exactly the red color component. Next, since this is just a piece of, this is a string, right? We need to convert it into a number. So, and we're going to do that by using a special function that converts strings into numbers. So it's going to be int, and just look at this particular documentation. So you can see that you can specify the base. So remember, I was talking about base 10 and base 16. So our current string is in base 16. So we need to specify that base. So we're going to use FF, right? So that's our string. We're going to do base, and then it's going to be 16. So after I hit enter, this will automatically convert from a text to a number, right? And in our case, it's 255. Next, we need to convert this value from 255 to a number between 0 and 1. To do that, we're going to be dividing 255 by 255. So it's going to be pretty straightforward. So we're going to just do this, and we're going to get that number. So let's start writing our conversion script with the things that we have written in the interactive Python console. So I'm going to take this color value, I'm going to paste that right here. Next, we need to remove the first character. So that's the hash character, right? So we're doing that. And next, we are converting to this base 10 number. So we're taking that string, and we're just converting. So we need to extract the very first two characters by doing that slice. Remember, we did a slice with this, right? So, and after that's done, we're gonna turn this into a value between 0 and 1. So it's an sRGB value. So sRGB and red. And then let's divide that by 255. And so that's how the conversion is going to look like for the color red. Now let's extract the components for green and blue. So again, let's go back into the interactive Python console. So remember, we need the third and fourth character, right? So we're going to do that with another slice. So we're going to go from 2 to 4, right? That's going to be D4. As you can see, we're correctly cutting that out of this text. For the blue component, let's do that here as well. So from 4 to 6. And you can see we've correctly cut that out for the blue component as well. So let's just copy this code right here. So we're gonna, this is gonna be green, right? So green, 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 right? And we need to update this. And we're gonna do the same thing right here. So this is blue, that's blue, and this is blue as well. I'm going to set this to 4, to 6. And so with this, we have a value from 0 to 1, and each component is converted from a hexadecimal number to a floating point number. Now let's convert these separate floating point numbers into a sequence, a tuple, that's gonna represent an RGB A value. So we're gonna go down here and create a new variable RGB A and then color, and then we're gonna create a tuple, and we're gonna use so we're gonna just use these values, right? And I'm just gonna paste these in blue, and then we need an alpha, so it's 0.1. We're not going to be getting that anywhere. We're not going to be getting the alpha from the hex code, so we need to just input it as a number, right? To speed things up, I'm going to just copy some code that's going to add a plane, create a material, and assign our color value to this material diffuse property. I'm just going to paste this code right here. So we're just creating a plane, creating a new material, using this RGBA color that we converted, and assigning or adding this new material to our currently active object. So let's clear the scene by hitting AX and then delete. And then let's run our script right here. Okay, there's error. Oh, yeah. So since we weren't using anything, like we weren't using the BPY module before, you could still run the script and not get an error. But now, since we started to use the BPY module, let's import BPY, right? So we want to give Python access to Blender's functionality. So let's run that again. All right. So as you can see, we have a color applied to our plane, right? Let's keep things organized and create a separate function for this conversion, right? So we're gonna take this code right here and indent it by hitting, like selecting everything and indent it by hitting tab, and then create a hex color to RGBA, right? We're gonna pass in that hex color, right? And then we're gonna return, so we're returning this tuple right here. We can move this down here before we call that new function, right? We're gonna move it here, and so let's delete that, and let's rerun the script. All right, so our script still works, right? So we just moved everything into a single function, so we can reason about this code by thinking, just maybe reading this, or maybe reading only this, just seeing that these are separate parts of our script. At this point, you think, okay, we're done here, right? Unfortunately, we're not done here because we're missing something from our conversion. If you open the materials properties right here, and then select the color, and then go to hex, you can see that this is actually not the value that we entered, right? So you can see the FFD4B3, or 3B, sorry, and you can see that this is not that value, right? So what's going on here? So let's go back to our slides. Actually, the thing is that the hex triplet values are sRGB values, but internally Blender works with linear RGB. So we need to convert our sRGB values into linear RGB values. You can read more about it in the Blender's color management documentation. So right here, you could find more details about what I'm talking about here, right? And to do that, we will need to do that conversion ourselves. So if we go to Wikipedia and we search around how to convert sRGB color values to linear RGB color values, we find out this formula. It's not too complicated. I'll show you how it's done in just a second. So if we take a closer look here, if the color component, so the C could be RGB, right? So any one of those color components. So if that value is less than or equal to this value, then we just take that sRGB color component and divide it by 12.92. The same thing goes here. So if it's greater than this value, we're just going to add 0.055 and divide that by 1.55 and then raise it to the power of 2.4. Right? And this is pretty straightforward to implement in Python, so let's do that right now. So let's create a new function right below our first function and call it convert. So it's sRGB to a linear RGB. So the parameter that we will be passing in is an sRGB color component. And so we'll need to create an if statement. Remember, so if we go back into the wiki page, so we need to create this if statement right here. So if this color component is less or equal to that value, we're going to create that linear color component by dividing the sRGB color component by 1292, else we're gonna calculate this by adding 0.055, right? So this needs to happen first. Then we're going to divide it by 1.055. And we need to use the math pow function and raise it to 2.4 or 4. All right, so let's move this a bit here. All right, so we need to import math. And then let's return this linear color component. So now let's use our new function to convert each one of those color components to a linear color component. Right, so linear red. I'm going to do the same thing for green. So this is green. And then the same thing for blue. So that's blue. And now, instead of using these sRGB values that we calculated, we're just going to replace these with the linear color component values. So we don't do anything with alpha, just keep it that way. And now let's delete everything from the scene and rerun our script. All right. If we take a look at the color picker, now we can see that the value that we requested, the FFD43B, is set to the color, the diffuse color right here. All right. So now that we have this code, we can start using it in our scripts to convert hex color values into something that Blender will understand and apply as a color, right? So what if you don't want to copy around this code right here, right, in every single script that you create? There's actually a way. I have been working on creating a Python package that contains this building block and other building blocks. And you can get it if you go into any browser and type in CGPython BPYBB. Right, this is going to redirect you to a GitHub page that's going to be pointing at the latest release of this building blocks Python package. There's actually a number of ways you can install. You can do it by downloading this add-on and then installing it as any other Blender add-on, or you can install it into Blender's Python using pip. I have a whole video on that in particular if you're interested. So if you go down here into assets and then download this zip, as soon as that's done downloading, we can install this as a regular add-on. Go to Edit, Preferences, and Install. Go to where you downloaded that add-on, hit Install. And then search for BPYBB building blocks. Just hit that enable. And this add-on is not something that you can see by using some kind of panel. It's not a panel or anything. It just adds a Python, a new set of Python modules into Blender Python. So let me show you how that looks. So instead of having this code right here, I'm going to just select it and hit Control / and comment this so that code doesn't exist anymore for Python because it's invisible. And now we can use the import functionality of that BPY building blocks package. It's in color, and then import. And then we're going to just use that hex color, right? So let's delete that and rerun the script. All right, so you can see that this code still works because we're getting that functionality. Like all this is hidden in the color module, right? The BPY building blocks color module, and you can have you can use this in your scripts this way, saving space and not having to have a lot of code in your scripts. So let's apply just a random color just to make sure that still works with other colors. I'm going to get a random color here. Let's get this. So just that's copied. So let's go back into our script, just paste it in here, delete everything, run the script. And you can see that here is our color value in hex. It's getting set correctly. So you can see that right here. And you can see that it doesn't really matter if the hex is uppercase or lowercase. It still works. All right, I hope you learned something today, and give this video a like. It will help me a lot, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.